of SandNet, which is a net type of material that extracts all debris right through it. Sandpaper always starts good at the beginning because the grit engages in the material, but once you start loading up on it, it prevents the grit from happening. So that's where this net is a very powerful type of strategy. It pulls it up. And so what Chris is going to illustrate, I mean, essentially you have 3 plies, right? 2 lacquers and a primer. And you're going to see it'll suck up. But once, if it starts loading a little bit, Chris can simply vacuum it or shake it, and then he can continue to go. So,